Returning to Grenada now, where Dwayne Bravo's return to the West Indies team was spoilt as the Caribbean side lost by 4 runs to Ireland in the first game of their 3-match T20 series today.
It was set up to be a fairy tale return for Trinidadian Dwayne Bravo, but the Irishmen had other ideas. The 36-year-old Bravo entered the fray with the Windies needing 15 runs from 10 deliveries to win, with a script seemingly written for him to be the hero. He smashed this 6 off the third delivery to take the equation to 5 from 3 for the Windies. But he picked out the fielder of the penultimate delivery, and it was all but over for the Caribbean men.
Catch taken. Delaney, the fielder.
Earlier, opener Paul Sterling struck 6 fours and 8 sixes in a top score of 95 to lead Ireland to 208 for 7 after electing to bat. Sterling's knock came off just 47 deliveries as he punished any bowler he faced. Kevin O'Brien also chipped in with 48 to help Ireland post the big total. Jamaican Sheldon Cottrell, Carrie Pierre and Bravo each took 2 wickets for the Caribbean side. It started fairly well for the Windies in their chase.
He's dispatched that one. Evan Lewis.
Before Lendl Simmons fell at 37 for 1.
This one is hit high in the air. Will the fielder get under it? What a catch! What an absolutely amazing catch from George Dockrell.
Evan Lewis and Shimron Hetmar then took the score to 93 with some lofty hits.
This is the treatment you'll get as well.
Lewis fell for 53.
In the air for a long time. Very good running catch.
And Hetmeyer for 28 in quick succession, but the Windies still looked on course for victory. Captain Karen Pollard got a start and ended up making 31 before he fell. Nicholas Puran also got a start and stroked 26 before he lost his wicket.
Pulls the leg and taken.
And Sherfane Rutherford fell for 26 at a crucial stage for the Windies off the first ball of the final over, and left all the pressure on the returning Bravo. The task proved a little too much for Bravo, as the Caribbean men ended up falling 4 runs short of their target.
But Bravo's power through the offside. Was there a chance of a run out with a better edge? Is that a dismissal? They're celebrating, and that's the end of it. A dot delivery.
Joshua Little was the pick of the Irish bowlers with 3 for 29, while Craig Young took 2 for 31. The second T20 will be played in St. Kitts on Saturday as a day-night affair. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.